So, how are you doing? Good? Okay, let's solve by using the root method. And you're like, the root method? Yeah, the root method. It could be a square root, it could be a cubed root, it could be a fourth root, it could be a 10th root, whatever root I need, the root method. Cool? Okay, so let's look at this example. What are we solving for? We're solving for x. So, what do I need to get rid of? I need to get rid of that third power. So what is the opposite of a third power? What's its inverse? What'll cancel it? A third root. That's why it's called the root method. So we're going to take the third root of both sides, because you know as well as I do, math is balanced. So over here I get simply x. Over here I get the third root of 12. And now I've got to figure out, well, can I take the cubed root of 12? Break it down for those of you who are uncertain. And no, don't use a calculator because it didn't say anything about giving me a decimal answer. So break it down. Yeah, that's 3 times 4. That's 2 times 2. So it looks like 2 to the second times 3 is what 12 breaks down to. And I need 3 of a kind. I don't have 3 of a kind. I only have 2 of a kind. So are we done? We are done. Cool? Okay. I've got some examples coming your way. They're a little more involved than this, but the concept is the same. So work on them before you find my answer key video. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.